And let me tell you, the things that we're hunting, yeah, they're one of the best tasting critters in Australia.
Oh my god.
We got into the Australian newspaper. They've used quotes from me, as good as boobs on a bull. Got no idea what I'm doing.
Finally come across a monster. They're easily spooked, hard to catch. You only get one shot at this.
G'day turkeys, we're giving away another set of iCheck deflators now. To win these, you just got to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. Plus, tell us if you like the bush or the bloody beach, mate. Anyway, good luck. Hope you win the deflators. On to the video. It's a sick one. Watch out for drop bears.
G'day. Oh my god. Alright, g'day guys. We are back in the southwest and we are here for the most important time of the year.
We have a special treat for you guys today. We're going hunting now. We're out in the bush. This is a jarrah forest, native wood in WA, and well, there's some jarrah trees in here. There's some string bark as well. We are heading into the bush and we're going hunting today, and we're chasing a mystical creature that only comes out, well, you're only allowed to hunt from a certain time of the year. Now, we won't give too much away, but we'll be using the traditional white fella way around here, and that's a stick and a bit of wire.
One of our first ever videos on YouTube was of this.
So we're gonna leave you guys in the lurch for a little bit, but we're not here to put socks on centipedes, so we're gonna hit the track now. It's one campsite at the end of this road, and it's not a designated campsite, and it's somewhere in the southwest. That's all we can tell you, because it's secretive.
So you're telling everyone that we're illegally camping?
No, we're not illegally camping. There's definitely allowed to camp here. So it's the 8th of January, so the people that live in WA, and they probably know what the 8th of January means for us. Anyway, let's get in this track and see if the campsite's for you. Fingers crossed it is.
So if you missed last week's episode, we actually bought a brand new car. It's been in the shed for a few months, but we finally are home. We had a look at it, and
brand new for us. Anyway, you're gonna.
There's nothing new about it.
Yeah, and for the people that missed it, we'll link the video after this video, so it plays for you.
But we're super keen to try and get that out in the bush and do a bit of bush camping in it. It'll be that.
Well, good.
Different.
Yeah, different. Different's a good word, but we've turned off down to a sub billy goat track now, and this one's actually heading down to the river. And the track has gotten super tight, especially for big Leroy.
Down the river, that's another hint.
Yeah, we're going to the river anyway. But yeah, check it out. It's gotten real tight, and it gets tighter than this again. So we'll probably be scratching the car a little bit today, and it's going to take us about 25-30 minutes on this little track, because we're doing like 5Ks an hour. So, but anyway, we are so keen to be back at home, because we know this joint like the back of our hand. And for anyone that hasn't been to the southwest of WA, you've definitely got to get down here. There's some hidden gems everywhere you look. All you got to do is go out and try to find some of them yourself. And yeah, check this out. We're going to touch the sides here. She gets tight right here. Look at that, just fit. Oh shit. So check this out, this is how tight we are. Look, we're going under these like banksia trees, and there's like a whole little forest of these things in here. It's pretty unique country in here. And yeah, this is all little banksia forest in amongst the jarrah forest. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Bloody tight. It's like Father Christmas down the chimney, eh? But oh yeah, speaking of that, Merry Christmas everyone. It's a new year. Hopefully 2024 is a good one for you. We've definitely done tighter tracks, but you know, you really, like, you're not a hot dog down a hallway down here, eh? It's...
Go that way a bit more. Yep, well. You got that much? Yeah. Straight.
That's tight as.
Yeah.
That's tight as, bro.
Oh my god.
Far out, this track's tight. I don't reckon anyone's driven it since we were home last, but yeah, I just had black boy bloody leaves in the car then. That's how tight it is. Oh, we're gonna get a scratch here, look at that. Oh no.
Flipped straight through.
I'm gonna get a pinstripe on the bonnet.
Oh.
Oh,
Bonnet's
shit.
the only part of the car that's not wrapped too.
Yeah, I need to protect the bonnet.
Yeah.
But look at this, we're almost here I think, but yeah, it's been a while. But yeah, she's pretty overgrown. Fair bit of photosynthesis has been happening. Wow, look at this, how am I meant to get through here?
There's only one campsite and we're worried that there'd be someone down here, but
I
honestly,
doubt
I
there's
don't
gonna
think.
Yoo-hoo, how good is this? There's the river. How good is this?
So good.
So we are smack bang in the middle of the bush. No one can camp within, you know, probably 5-10 k's of us right now. And this is our own little private campsite. But like you've seen, it was a bit of a mission to get in here. I wouldn't come in here with anything wider than a 200 series, to be honest with you. But hey, that's just me. Anyway, this is the river right here. This is where we'll be hunting. And yeah, what a sick little spot this is, eh? This is just typical southwest Western Australia. And yeah, this is where I grew up. But we're gonna have to pitch a swag under this big behemoth, which isn't the most ideal thing. Yeah, my old man and my brother are coming down as well. Hopefully we catch a few critters out here, and let me tell you, the things that we're hunting, yeah, they're one of the best tasting critters in Australia. Better than crayfish. I'm giving away a lot of clues right now, so a lot of you would already know what I'm talking about. Open season starts at 12 o'clock. It's about 9 at the moment, so we got a little bit of time to wait before we can actually start laying some traps around the joints.
Rightio, here is one of the most versatile and venomous snakes in Australia, if not the world. This thing will smack you harder than Nana with a wooden spoon. It is called the dugite. They're commonly found here in the southwestern Australia, plus a little bit of South Australia. And one bite of this little bugger will definitely kill you this far away from the hospital. So it is incredibly important to know how to treat snake bite wounds, plus carry a snake bite kit. Thought I'd throw that in there. Incredibly common to see these out in the bush here. And that's where we always strap up with some long pants, some boots, and just keep an eye out, stomp our feet like a dinosaur when we can. It's pretty cool to see them on the water like this. They are such a cool little creature.
Rightio, it's time to tell you what we're doing. We're going marinating now. I'm gonna beat my brother to this spot. My turn.
Fight over the spot on camera. Have family domestic.
There's nothing on it, you can have it. Rightio, it's time to tell you what we're doing out here, and we are going marinating now. Once a year we get a month to catch these little creatures, and they're native in our rivers, and they're like a freshwater crayfish. Well, they are a freshwater crayfish.
They're only native in Western Australia, down in the southwest.
Yeah, and if you think of like what the Americans call a lobster, that's literally what these things look like, but they're pitch black until...
Or like big yabbies.
Yeah, massive yabbies, and they actually get to the length of like a carton of beer, if not longer. But there's this fishery for marine is so policed. There's so many rules. That's why we had to wait till exactly 12 o'clock today for the season to open.
Yeah.
And there's massive fines apply if you do the wrong thing. So we're snaring.
Yeah.
And the way you do that is with a fishing rod and with a bit of wire on the end. And the idea is the marine, you like put that behind its tail, and then they crawl through the loop. And then as soon as the marine's in the loop, you pull this up and then you pull them out of the water now. Sarah's already caught one, so we're going to put that little clip on the screen now to give you a bit of a masterclass from Sarah. I don't know if you can see that right there in the photo, but that's a marin, and Sarah's a snarer. Sarah's about to snare this marin. Oh, maybe try again.
Should I go from
Yeah,
forward?
that's good. Yep, yep. No, just wait for him to settle, I reckon. Oh, she got it. No way. How sick is that? West Australian Marin.
Yay.
That's sick. Fuck yeah, that was sick. I did not, that was the hard snare. When you come at them from the front way, that's a hard snare to have, so no, you've done well there. Look at that. But it's super tricky. You also can use nets. Now, nets are good, but I reckon it's cheating. The traditional way is just to use like a stick with a bit of wire on the end like we're doing today. So,
and you have to choose either netting or snaring.
Yeah, and there's only a month where you can catch these in the year unless you're fishing in a private dam. So,
and you need a fishing license.
Yeah, you need a Marin license to do this. So I think it's about $50 for a month, but it's definitely worth it if you get a good feed, because let me tell you, they taste absolutely delicious. So anyway.
No, they're shit.
Yeah, they're shit. Yeah, don't worry about them. So anyway, we're gonna try to catch one. Maybe there'll be one crawling around here in a minute. Oh, here's one.
Go.
Just like that. But I don't know if he's size, right? So that's how you do it. The way you can tell if it's a male or a female too is the size of their claws. That's a dead giveaway. So that one there is quite small, like got big claws for his size, and that means he's a male. So I can see another one down there.
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Didn't even get to put the other Marin back.
Ah, don't bite me.
How sick is that? That is a WA Marin, and the only other thing you got to look for is if they've got berries, which is underneath their flat there. And by the looks of it, that's another big male. So guess what? No berries on males. So how sick is
Stop
that?
swinging at me.
What?
Go.
Like that. Look at that. And he's a baby one, so he's not even sized, this thing. Rightio, let's show you how to measure them. So they're both definitely sized, but the way to do it is pin their claws down like that, and their claws do grab you and they do hurt. Now we've got a Marin gauge here. One side's for trophy waters, so if you're in the Harvey region, that's what you're doing. 90 millimeters you've got to be across the carapace, but for us we're only 80 today. Oop. He just did a little flick, so I don't know if you can see that, but he's got a little point. Well, this guy's actually missing his point. So guess what? He's not size. So this one's got a snapped off point. I don't know if you can see that, but his point snapped off. So you've got to go there to the back of his carapace, and it's got to be 80 mil. So even though that's a good size Marin, he's got a snapped off point. So he's not size technically. So he's going back. Sam from iCheck is absolutely mental for a limited time. Now it's only while stocks last, and it's very limited stock. So he's brought out these limited edition multi-tools. They're fully stainless steel, and you'll get one of these for free, valued at $100, plus 10% off, plus free shipping, if you use the code SKT to buy any TPMS on the website. So 300 of these made, and they're printed with their own little special number. I've got here number 274 out of 300, and these are not going to be continued, so get yourself a limited edition iCheck multi-tool. It's been a hot day. We've been out in the sun here. I reckon I've dripped about 7 litres of sweat today, but we've just gone for a nice swim. Beautiful to cool off in that river. I'm shit scared of leeches, so I'm constantly checking myself around here before them, but just wanted to show you guys this. Today we just put the Starlink up out here. One of our followers, thank you for sending it through, has sent through that we got into the Australian newspaper today. They quoted our video, one of our electrical videos, and I quote, they've used quotes from me saying, as good as boobs on a bull. And at the end there he said, but what would Keelan know? What can the experts at AEMO learn from a random bloke with a grade 3 certificate in electricity who opens videos with a friendly greeting, "G'day turkeys." I cannot believe that, eh? We've been in the Australian newspaper for the funniest reason, and they've literally taken all of what I say, all my dumb sayings, and literally put them in the newspaper. So it's just hilarious, eh? And what a random thing. Life's so random sometimes, but have a look at this. We've got a few Marin. I'll show you how many we've caught. Don't mind the bloody crocs. Look at this. I don't know if you can see in there, Sarah.
Oh, there we go.
Look at that. So
Oh,
I think we've got 9. So we're allowed 8 each. So it's been a little bit of a slow day, and they've all been pretty small. So normally what happens is the night time, the big Marin come out to play, and that's when they're feasting hard. So we'll switch up to torches soon. But we're gonna have a nice dinner, couple beers, but it's good to see family. We haven't seen them for that long, so yeah, it's been really good. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll show you, hopefully we can show you a big marron. I really want to show you a big one, because I think it'll blow your mind. So anyway, stick in there, we'll catch one. What's for dinner tonight, boss?
Tuna mornay.
Who made that?
Keelan.
No, you made it. Maybe it's that. We've got the induction cranking. How many amps we pulling? 104. Is that all? Crank it up. Get it going.
It's already burning.
Oh shit.
Unfortunately, it was a good night to be a big marron and a terrible night to be a beer, because we alt control deleted a couple of those buggers. Anyway, we woke up in the morning and we needed to find a new water hole to marron in. And this spot produced for about 3 hours, and then it dried up a little bit. So we decided to head out the track, and we come across this little obstacle.
No. Rightio, we got a tree over the bloody track, so we're going to get it out of the way. Never done this before, so we'll see how we go.
Stand clear, girls.
They're both connected as one big tree.
Got no idea what I'm doing, but I've got some apprentices working for me, so aka Dad and my brother, so it's pretty easy just sitting in here and winch.
Over there, Keelan, just roll him. Just roll it.
Pretty powerful winch, eh? Yeah, come on fellas, get it out of the way. That's how you clear a track. That's sick, we should be able to get around there now, hopefully. But that was a big tree, and thank God it cracked, because it was fouling on some other ones, and yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. So anyway, I'm gonna pull this winch in, and the marron hunt continues. We're gonna go through a spot near Bailing Up now, grab a coffee, and then maybe hit another secret spot. That's a bloody big tree. Look at that, piece of piss. Woo! On to the next spot.
We drove another hour after that tree, and we finally come across a monster marron. Now, they're big for a reason. They're easily spooked, hard to catch. You only get one shot at this, and any erratic movements by me and this marron will disappear and never be seen again. So I was tapping into ninja focus to slow down my heart rate, so this marron didn't detect me, and I was absolutely shitting myself.
Oh my God!
Keep him away from the water. He's gonna come out.
He's alright. Holy shit! I'll get him, cover. Monster! Holy shit! Hang on to him while you're washing, but that's the dog of dogs. Look at that! That's the dog. Rightio, I told you to catch a big one now. We've searched high and low. We've driven another hour and a half this morning to find this thing. So this is a monster of the deep, and probably one of the biggest marron I've ever caught. So how sick is that? It's a WA marron. It doesn't look that big, but that is an absolute monster. And we finally got some, but we had to search high and low for it. But anyway, how cool is that?
A lot of effort for that guy.
Thanks for watching, legends. Make sure you click and watch this video right here.